What is personalized learning? Personalized learning is a process of learning that we visualizing the recent future. It is especially beneficial for students who are interested in learning some extra facts outside their restricted curriculum. It gives a lot of flexibility to students and teachers. It involves use of all kinds of modern technological devices to make the learning process faster. The age-old process of learning inside a classroom is gradually becoming dissatisfying to present generation learners. A personalized learning process engages students much more because they are given scopes to do further research and development upon the topics they learn inside a classroom. Students are the owners of the entire process. The most important benefit of a personalized learning process is it imparts knowledge anytime and anywhere. The future of the modern system of education is very bright, and a personalized system of learning will hopefully satisfy the young learner's hunger for knowledge.